welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is your February Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month and includes 2 new collections including cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. Along with your kit, you'll also have access to 2 recipe cards designed by the design team for 2 double-page layouts including cutting and assembling instructions, one for each one of the collections. This month is so much fun because we have a boy collection and then a very girly collection. So I know you're going to love these. So let's take a closer look at each one of these. From Echo Park, we have Fashionista. This is such a fun collection for any of your girly girl photos that you want to scrap, but you could also play with the B-side papers and scrapbook just about anything. First up, we have this one with all of these high heels. It's just super cute. The back side is a black with white polka dot. This one's called So Many Shoes. This paper here I think is just gorgeous with all of just little brush strokes in the different colors. The back side are these flowers in white on the dark pink. This one's called Paint the Town. Then we have this plaid with the black and white and then the pink striping through it. And the back side is another gorgeous floral in the pinks and the minty green. This one's called Playful Plaid. So one more look at the patterned paper. For the cardstock, you're going to receive 2 sheets of black cardstock and 1 sheet of Geyser. And then the embellishments, you're going to get this 4x4 cut apart sheet, so you're going to get a third of it, so your embellishments will vary. But this is the one. So it has these cute little 4x4 cut aparts. The back side is this black and white design, so you could use either side. You're going to get 3 of the Doodlebug design doilies, and these are so cute with the white polka dots on the black. It's a great fit for the designs in this collection. And then a half a pack of the ephemera. So again, these will vary, but this is a good representation. There's some tags, some larger pieces, banners, little labels. That is Fashionista from Echo Park. We can't leave out our guys, so from Photoplay paper we have Boys Rule. But again, you can use the back side of these papers and scrapbook anything. So this one called Beep Beep has the buses and the cars on it. It's just super cute. The back side is this dark blue with these green little squiggle lines. This one called Smash Bang. It's kind of a reddish orange with a large white dot. The back side has all of these great little sayings that go great with boys. Boom, bang, poof. This one called Seeing Stars, which has all the stars in the blue-green and the dark blue and just a kind of a limey green. This one that has the lightning bolts. So one more look at the patterned papers. Then for your cardstock, you're going to get a sheet of orange cardstock and 2 sheets of blue. The embellishments are a full 12x12 sticker sheet, lots of borders, a frame, some large ones that have sayings on them and words, so you could use those as title or subtitles. And you have larger icons down to small. So there's trains and cameras. Again, you could use these for vacation trips or different things, the zoo. You could really think outside of the box on this one. So that is Photoplay Boys Rule. One more look at your Double Shot Kit. Be sure to come on over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook page to see what your design team is coming up with their kits as well as your fellow subscribers. And play along with the challenges. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that coffee cup to subscribe and you'll be notified when new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.